Should be live now. There we go. Alrighty. So here is the check it now.
Yep. You are live.
We is live, boy. Oh, where's my YouTube banners? There we go. Can you hear the music all right? Or is it very low?
Don't hear any music.
What about now?
Yeah, there we go.
Can you still hear my voice, or is it a little bit loud?
It's nicely in the background, I can say.
Yeah?
Your voice is a bit low.
Can't really help that. There's no like there's nothing that I can do to enhance it. You can still hear the music?
Yeah.
And my voice is not like, I try to lower the music so my voice overlaps it, so I don't know how well it's doing.
Maybe lower the music a little bit, and then your voice will overlap it.
What about now? Can you hear the music? I don't know.
Yeah, I think
I'm just
that's
gonna
better.
talk with the music on so you can hear what it sounds like with the music on. So just let me know if it overrides.
Yeah, that's pretty good actually. Yeah.
Okay, nice. So now I know where to put it. Alright. Well. Oh, gold is pushing now. Push on that 5 minute. Let's open up that chart. So on that 5 minute, we're pushing up. Looking to close up onto the high for the next candle.
1 hour just closed.
Yeah. Already seeing that bullish momentum. 30 minute closed bullish here, right? See a drop base rally, finding support, creating demand. If we break supply, we've created demand. I'm gonna change this. Ooh. We saying nah, fam. Prices are just like skyrocketing open. But I like that. I like that close to retest onto the 1 minute moving averages, broke all moving averages. Held above this 1 minute. You want to see this 1 minute probably tap into this level right here. See if buyers are here. While also holding the support level of this area. The white zone.
We should find buyers here.
I want to actually text Ooh.
Never mind. We're breaking down.
Damn. I love to see it. That's a nice rejection off that 21 moving average. 5 minute. Got a lot of pressure to the upside, I can't lie.
It's a new hour open, so we're making the lower work right now.
Yeah. Yo, I was using my iPad last night. Oh, it's beautiful, man.
For what?
Here, look at the stream. I'll show it on the stream. So basically how I trade is I trade using my iPad, my MetaTrader, and I just use this, and it kind of just, my orders are all sitting here. It's like the MetaTrader on the computer, basically. It feels like it, but it's a little bit nicer. It's a little bit nicer than your phone and stuff like that. So you can see like the positions, your histories, and all that, like everything, but it just looks nicer. So. Time to lay back, relax. Let's bring the mic a little closer. I don't know. Sometimes I feel like I have too much stuff in my charts. Sometimes I feel like it's clean.
Yeah, you just gotta manage, organize all the time.
Yeah.
But your eyes get used to it. You know?
Oh, totally. Like I know what everything means here.
Exactly, yeah.
It's like I know what it means. If someone doesn't, then I'm sorry, but I know what I'm looking for here. What do you think of this demand, this supply level? This one right up here. Would you mark out like your basing candles like right here? Oh, that's daily actually. Yeah, that's your daily. This is your daily supply. I'm gonna do this. Actually. past your bedtime, Cram. Yo, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Did you hear what I said?
No.
Oh, I said it's past your bedtime.
You listen to me right now?
Can you increase your mic volume by any chance?
Me?
Yeah. No, the guy beside you.
Okay. I guess Discord. Fucking guy. No, this is Max actually on Discord. It's okay. I'm just getting sleepier this way.
Oh, true.
Automatic mic decrease.
Yeah, man. I mean, like, GJ looks like it's gonna go up, but like, man, I can't tell when, or if it's just gonna shoot right down, then go up later. So, it's gonna be a long waiting session, but
Yeah.
hopefully
Gold.
catch something.
Gold, I feel, is your best bet. I feel.
Huh?
Gold could be your best bet.
Yeah, I like gold. Liking how it's
Because it
moving.
broke out from that resistance, and now it's coming back to retest it. You could see something there.
Mm-hmm. Wanted to initially come back to that, like, man, the retracement on this, so we have our first initial move, right, that's a retracement. I could do body to body here, let's see, yeah, even if we did body to body, the ripple effect, you know. Yeah, we gotta see. I think it could potentially come back and test here. But man, if it's holding this pretty well, I'm liking this as structure for lower time frames. Here, so cheap. Oh, I don't even have one trade. Sorry. That's a 0. Gold hit our target area. Damn. Well, my target area. Wow. Is this lower time frame demand or supply? Well, no demand. No. nothing. I mean, technically 1 minute. We have some goodies on the 1 minute. Yeah, that is demand on the 1 minute. Buyers have been found. Gold is crazy, bruh.
Yeah, seeing some rejection on there. On that level. Support.
Mm-hmm. Already 20 pips up. That would have been a sick entry if it just tapped in and had a sell or a buy limit.
Did you take that?
No.
Oh.
I just had it sitting there. Like I was gonna take prices relative in that area, but they'll come back.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Once it's confirmed, you can make higher highs. So
Yeah.
you're good to go for pips.
Pips on pips. So if the 1 minute's dipping in, that means the 5 minutes touching around 50. Trying to hold above the 50. I'll probably be doing like a lot smaller lots if I do trade today. Like probably half to 1%, 0.5% to 1%. GJ is just sitting. Man. We really ranging. Probably on that 1 minute, 5 minute. Not a fan of that. It'll probably come down. If not, it's gotta go. It's a fat rejection. Even if you had that at the 200. Yeah, this candle move up. Didn't make higher highs. Didn't make higher highs. Lower time frame. Low low. Looking to make higher high. Technically uptrending still. Broke support. 1 minute. Made lower low. Lower high. 1 minute. 1 minute looking to calm down if it continues to make lower lows. Then 5 minute coming to lower low, needs to make lower highs. Damn, you really gonna stay up, huh?
No. Just finishing this episode.
Oh, that's all.
Almost done. I'm watching my New Zealand USD trade. Just want to make sure it's
Oh, how's that going?
on its way to victory before I go to sleep. It's good. It broke out to the upside and came back to retest. Now it's breaking the previous high.
Yeah, I see that.
It's not confirmed fully, but it's looking good so far.
I see sellers coming in here, so you should watch out for this area. But we're
Yeah,
not
like-
depleting fully, but sellers are weakening here. Sellers could come back in a minute.
If that's truly a higher low, if we break
High.
that previous high, then
Yeah, 30 minute you're starting to come a little down. 15 minute, 30 minute, probably 5 minute looks the most.
it's basically consolidating
Yeah,
at this
sort of
point.
ranging at it at this point.
Doing
Yeah, we're
independence.
sort of hovering this range right here, which is this range on the 30 minute. A 4 hour, you're kind of just, it just makes little moves up, huh? Just tick 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 tick.
Yeah,
Makes its way up, man.
that's all you need. Like my stop losses are like 10, 15 pips. We're not talking 30 pips here. But the ratios is all that matters. As long as you have 2.5, 3 ratio, you're good.
Daily created a doji. So 4 hour. It's probably gonna range for a bit until you find some volume. But in all sense of this, you're technically making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher, not higher high, inside bar here. And then you had on your 1 hour. Your 1 hour ended right here. 4 hour started here, a new one. Previous 4 hour was right here. Started 4 hour, came up, came down. This 4 hour inside bar. This needs to close above. Has to close above here for sure if it wants to continue. Has to make highs, new highs. You're filling up that wick. You're filling up that wick. 15 minute, gotta close above here if you want to be bullish.
That's what I'm looking for.
Yeah. It looks good. It looks good. If it keeps this momentum that we have in this.
I do see that it's shallowing out on the
Yeah.
daily, like you
Yeah.
said. More wicks on the bottom, less wicks on the top.
You also have like your candles are not being really pushed up. They're kind of just swinging its way up slowly. No clean move. But you know, those things grind. This pair looks like it grinds its way down through trend anyways. A lot of grinding right here, here. Not here, but on the daily. But yeah. Gold, man. Gold, gold, gold. Not bad. 1 minute. If it keeps going bullish, I want to see that change in momentum. I want to really see this be broken. This trend right here. Nice, nice.
Yeah, ooh.
Nice. That could be a fake to retest the 200 to continue down, but you have to see that because we have a micro support resistance level there also, so we have to be fairly cautious.
15 minute was the last 15 minute was, you know,
Yeah,
it was a good close, not the best,
yeah, but it looks bullish.
kind of hoped
which
it
is
would
nice.
go up a little bit more,
Yeah,
but
looks like it
this
created like
reaction.
a demand zone there.
yeah.
Well, it's looking to create. If it closes above, remove supply. Supply is sitting right here on the 1 minute.
Yeah, even if we close within the wick of the 15 minute, that shows strength.
And seeing if I remove supply up in this area, we should be good to go to high levels.
Yep.
Because all of these other areas are tested. No other fresh demand zone besides probably right here. Or supply.
Yep.
So we have everything else removed. This is basically what we're looking at. You could even say it's something like this or this. This is most recent, so. if I'm looking for a trade, I want to see the 1 minute start to turn, and then I want to see prices turn inside out from 1 minute to 5 minute. Then I'll look for a trade. But this 5 minute gotta close above here. One minute broke above the 100 moving average. Looking to retest the 50. Nope. Just the 100. Got 13 seconds left. It's rejecting. Prices broke previous downtrend on the minute. So the past 30 minutes was basically wiped. We could be looking up. Really gotta see. It's playing within this 200, 100 moving average 1 minute time frame zone. And then it's playing above the 21 on the 5. Which means we just bounced off here to see if we're going to continue on the 15, the 30. We just had the bounce over here previously. This is our 30-minute drop retest continuation. So we're looking to take that continuation up. 1 hour is your higher time frame break, retest, continue. This is the rally base rally, hopefully, if we can get that. 4 hour clean move, which is your bullish candles on your daily. Daily looks clean to continue bullish to the structure, the blue structure. So everything aligns pretty well. Just really have to want to get a sick entry. Really needed to see prices holding this 21 on the 5 minute. If prices don't hold that, I'm not looking for trades anytime soon. One minute broke the 100. 50 moving average being tested, held above 50 moving average, holding between 50 and 100, looking to continue down a little bit to the 21. If the 21 holds, we should see a cross in the 21 and the 50.
Yeah, retesting that range that we just broke out of.
Yeah, right here. Yeah, that's your 5 minute range.
Yeah. Should continue bullish.
Yep.
5 minute closed above all of the range.
Yeah, closed above pretty well. So this should be like your retest into the range / demand zone area.
Yes.
And this should be looking to create demand right in this area as we tapped into demand levels on the 1 minute. So this would probably move demand up to here now as demand shifts. Supply and demand shift. So 21 is being tested on the 1 minute, almost. Enter, 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 everybody enter. It'd actually be really cool if Daniela really learns how to trade, or like just gets the gist of it. I'd really like enjoy that. I think that'd make me appreciate, I don't know, not her, I don't want to say her, but I think it'd just make me enjoy teaching her more. Ooh.
For sure.
Gold just broke through, 21. Looking to close 8 seconds. If you don't close, that's a test. And it is tests. Could still break through though. But 21 is curving. probably gonna hit lower demand first. See if there's buyers up in this area, because this was your demand tested, right? Create a new demand right over here in the 1 minute. 1 minute is probably gonna contest it. Look to create higher demand, like I said.
Ooh.
Just waiting.
Well, let's switch.
See, this is where like momentum starts to pick up and the night gets fun.
Exactly, yeah.
This is where the night gets fun. Stream early, but at least you feel the momentum. You feel the trend. So keep in mind, we are bearish on 30-minute time frames, or 15-minute, 5-minute, right? We are looking bearish. We are kind of holding down. If we see a trade, we have to execute it with patience here, like pure patience. If this breaks, yeah, we're looking to come down. Buys might be even later. Buys might even be down at higher time frame 30-minute demand, like even right around here. So 1 minute might not look good. We still haven't tested that 21 of the 30-minute, so don't get too excited. We need to see that test on the 30-minute to see if the people are holding this structure. Minute test coming. Hold on, I might do this instead. Minute almost tested the 100. 1 minute curving down. Possibly a break. Possibly need to remove demand. Right? This remove demand created supply up here. And up here. Yeah. Dun, dun, dun. Oh man, that changes that. Man. And gold striking down, breaking structure on the 5 minute, 15 minute, just held, broken structure, holding the 50. We have to really see if this holds. This is what we were waiting for. Somewhere around here to here. I want to see something like this, if anything. That would be lovely. Because if we catch that, that's like what, 200? That's your retest to continue, but this push didn't make a new high as significant. This was 150, this was only 50 pips, so it's 100 pips less of a high. So we really have to calculate for that. How's New Zealand doing with the momentum? Anything kick in?
New Zealand?
Yeah.
Kind of rejecting downwards. Because USD is kind of trying to climb up. Still very bearish USD, however. Not looking too good. I'm thinking of decreasing my my stop loss before going to sleep.
What are you at right now? You break even almost?
Oh no, it's around entry.
Hmm.
It came back to the entry. And
What was your
it's
entry?
Entry is 0.706.
Okay.
Seems like it's holding some kind of support. I don't know if it's strong enough to break.
1 second before you continue.
Hoodie Garcia in the building.
Yeah, you got cold?
Yeah. Sorry, what were you saying?
Just saying, like, it's holding some kind of support. I don't know if it's strong enough to break though.
Seeing how the moving
Upside.
averages are holding right now, I think it looks good to go bullish. We're kind of holding on the 50 moving average on the 15. That's what I see. We just had that cross on the 30. So we should be holding a little bit, respecting these moving averages, but it's kind of just squeezing. You have to just be careful here.
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah,
That's why I'm
just-
trying to wait for it to do something before I go, but it doesn't seem like it. That's why I'm thinking of just decreasing my stop loss.
It'll
being
probably
on
go
today's
during
price.
3 o'clock or so.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can manage your trade for you. Send me your login.
I could literally cut it in half and just lose 0.5%.
What's the loss on it? Dollars.
Oh, it's 1%, right? So $30.
So
So I
you
could just lose 15 instead.
okay.
It'll
I
still
mean,
be under 200 on the 15 minute. Not bad.
like I don't think. Wait, what's your stop loss at?
It is 0.7045.
You're selling,
Below those.
or are you buying?
I'm buying.
Oh yeah, 7045. Oh, 45.
0.45. Yeah.
Yeah.
Under under those two
Yeah.
mid.
And you're aiming for a 1 to 2.
Yeah, 1 to 2.
Yeah. Let it be. Let it be.
Yeah, I think it can still.
Even,
have some
even
money.
if it stops you out or something like that, it's totally fine.
Yeah, I'm not going against rules here.
I think the only thing that would be worrisome is if it breaks past like this or even here, because this is like your sort of like your minor trend that you're on, right? You could say that this trend was broken, right? But we kind of didn't break it yet until now, so even if you justify it to like that, we didn't break it. So
I mean, right now on the minor trend, we made a lower high,
yeah,
and like we said, we're squeezing. So like, if we really make a lower low, then that could just be done.
mm-hmm.
Once we stop making higher highs, that's when it gets in trouble.
So that's
Yeah, I'll probably
currently where
decrease
we
my
are.
stop loss.
Yeah, you could decrease it. What are your 15 pips? You could decrease it to like 10 pips.
I'm at 16. Probably decrease it to like 8 half. So
Yeah, 8
it's
is
like
fine. Like
8.5.
7.05, yeah.
Yeah, because if it reaches there, then I don't think it's.
Even
gonna
if it
really come
passes
back.
this low, like I wouldn't even be in this trade. But at least now you
Exactly.
have a 3.1 risk to reward if it does go in your favor.
My lot is the same, though. So
Yeah, but you know,
we calculate.
even if you lose, you're not really losing the same amount now.
Yeah, exactly. Looks like it's coming back up now. Maybe it'll break out, hopefully.
I really want to trade the S&P. Just
Hit it up.
nah, gotta back test more. Been back testing only these two pairs. I mean, not these two. Gold and GJ. Here, I like gold on the right. Do you ever just do that where you like a certain pair on the right side of your screen and a certain pair on the left side of your screen? I do.
Yeah, you're just used to it, for sure.
Commodities on the right for me. Or indexes. Yeah, gold looks like it's just chilling right now. Just chilling at that support. Structure being held. Look at this. This is so dope. I don't know if the peeps can see it. The vape
What, the mic?
sticks to the thing. It's legendary.
Oh, wow.
Right there. Sticks.
That's nice.
Gold is rejecting at the 100 moving average. 5 minute. Ooh, GJ is pushing now. Well, starting. I think it's trying to find some momentum, but don't think it's the break. Don't think. Think. Keyword. Think. I really want to see a test on that 21, something like this, 21 moving average, or like this. We had that, could just be going down, but who knows?
But yeah, I'm just gonna keep an eye on this. Gonna go to
Yeah.
sleep now.
Yep.
Alright. Hope you have a good trading session.
Yes,
Catch all the
sir.
pips on gold.
Try my best. Try my best.
Alright, bro.
Take care, man.
Have a good night.
Night.
You too. Bye. Night.
So GJ is moving up. I really want to see it break this structure for me to want to continue that. 2 o'clock is coming. I'm not going to be in a position just yet. I want to wait. We got around, I want to wait around 30 minutes before I look for an entry. If I look for an entry around 2:30, that'd be great. GJ looks like it's going to be a bullish push to here. If we can see it break past here and close above on this next 30 minute, that'd be great. But really, we're just waiting for that pullback now. So we know that levels have been increased. If we do tap into higher levels, we could see that pullback as prices start to cross over the 200 moving average on the 15 minute. 5 minutes already crossing. We had the cross, right? We didn't have our first touch of the 50 yet. So really, I haven't seen a confirmed buy just yet. This 5 minute 21 moving average is really nice, but just too many wicks for me to want to enter that. It's just way too much indecision. So I think that personally, even if it came up, it could just come right back down. So I'm not gonna be too instant with this trade just yet. Gold pushing up really well, close above previous 5 minutes, looking for this 15 minutes to close bullish above this whole range. If we see that, we know that we found some sort of demand in this level, which could also lead to higher time frame demand in the future if it continues to push. But we really want to see this hold out and just keep projecting, because I will be looking for a buy. Really want to be patient with this. See, patience is the key to the market, if you haven't realized. Trading is boring. Trading is boring, but you know. GJ 5 minute creating a rally, basing setup, see all the moving averages aligning. Could just look for a buy, but I want to see it come back down to the 21 retest. That would be a beauty. So I guess let's set up the fib. Could do a smaller fib too. Sort of chasing this trade right now, but Really want to let it run first and then come down. Gold just not stopping, man. Same. I feel you, gold. Holding support right around here. Right, so we have micro support resistance roughly around this area. Micro support resistance roughly around that area. Right, and we also have micro support resistance roughly around this area. So we want to be relatively safe when we're trading in between these areas and see how prices react to continue to the next level, right? It's just a strict way of how I trade. I like to see things continue before I can continue. I need to see confirmation. This isn't enough, especially because it's on the 5 minute. Just I don't even care if it continues up. Like, it's a clean move to continue up, like to clean up, but man, this 30 minute, it's got to close bullish. The next 4 hours is probably gonna go crazy. Yeah, 4 hours is probably gonna clean that up real well, or that 4 hour right here. And there she goes. Might place a buy stop right above this structure right here. Might. And I might look for a stop loss of maybe 20 pips. If I can get that stop loss, I'd be looking for 1 to 2, 1 to 3. So on that, it gives me that ratio to come fill that wick. Also tap into this newfound supply, fresh supply, right? But I don't know, man. When I focus on 2 trades at once, it's a little too much for me. Don't like to do it. I like to just focus on one thing at a time. So whichever trade comes first, I'll look for that. But I'm looking more for gold. But gold doesn't look to be continuing up. It looks like it's kind of failing every time it comes up, wick after wick after wick. But we're just slowly decreasing that bullish momentum. Currently on the pound yen, we're breaking through the daily midline of our channel. So this red line right here, this is your daily midline. Right, so if you go on the daily chart, we have a trend. This is our trend. We're taking positions within here to expect to continue up to here, even up to here. This week looks pretty good. I think it can, like it even did, it didn't test that supply area just yet, right? We were very close to it, but yeah, so I think that's definitely a goal. We'd be looking to test that supply area. If I see this 15-minute hold pretty well, that was a nice touch. Almost touched it, but really want to see it come up a little bit, retest that. gold is just shooting. Where did music go? Gold is going, man. Nice. So if I have 20 pip stop on gold, I'll be using 0.3. If I have 30 pip, I'll be using 0.2. So 1 minute. 1 minute on gold. It's looking like a rejection of the 50. We're holding between the 200 and the 100. Shoot. I want to get the best possible entry. Actually, no, I'll be looking to do even smaller positions because I'm doing less than that. So I'll probably only do like 0.05, 10 cent rudder or position. Justify to 30 pips. What's that? Yeah, we could do 0.05 on that. I think GJ, I'll run a whole 2% on it if it continues to look a little bit bullish like this. GJ, we're looking. What pips is that? 16. Let's do 20 for sakes. It's 31. If we can get an entry here, it'd be nice. Just waiting. So right now I'm looking for that the pound yen to touch the 50 moving average. We see some bearish pressure, so I want to be a little safe. Same with gold. On the 1 minute we see some bearish pressure, but 5 minute we're still a little bullish, creating that rally-based rally. This is sort of like either a wick on the higher time frames that we could be tapping into, but we are sort of downtrending. We did cross moving averages. We're all heading down on gold, so this could also be sells. With gold, you gotta be patient. You gotta let it run its course and see where it's moving at. If it holds the structure, pretty sure we can continue to go bullish a little bit more. Is gold could be retesting the 200 to continue down, but this is where it sits between the 100 and the 200. If it closes in between them, I want to see it hold the 100 before I continue to look for a buy, because this will let me know if it holds the 100. We're probably going to see the 50 move to the 100 and cross that, so we have a bullish bias on the 1 minute. And then once we start seeing prices curve inside out, like as we see now, we could be looking for buys. Okay. Some good pressure, some really good pressure on gold. If we can look to continue that up, it'd be great. So I believe that gold is probably going to look bullish now. Just after seeing all this confluence. 5 minute looking pretty good to continue bullish. We have that momentum strengthening up. We have 1 minute to close. We should close above this wick or even this wick. We'll be happy to continue for buys. GJ, looking at the 15 minute, we're sort of just not looking as great as I want. I want to see us close a little bit bullish on the 15 minutes, so which is why I think that, you know, if we don't, we could be seeing sellers come in. A lot of selling pressure right here, holding below a lot of moving averages. 1 minute gold just flying up. Just keeping it patient with GJ. GJ found some support. Look, it's a hold. Gold slightly coming down. Possibly a retracement. So if I get fully stopped out on gold, I'm not even worried. I'm not even gonna put stop loss to break even if it hits take profits. Really gonna let this one run until TP2. TP2 I'll probably look to take break even. A very small position in it. That's why I'm not too worried if it stops me out. It is a scalp at the end of the day, so I can't be too worried. But this is like your rally-based rally on 5 minute. I'm ready to enter GJ. I just want to wait a little bit longer. I'm doing 2% on it, so if I lose, I will be losing around $60. If I win, I'm winning 120 hopefully. Probably not 120 because I usually take partials. But gold will probably run me a lot if I win this trade, for sure. So if I win these 2 trades, I think I will be done for the week, so I won't be doing any more live streams for this week. Since mid-December sort of coming in, I want to be fairly prepared for the new year, starting it off. But so far, it's still good. Yeah. Keep on going, boy. We got 12 more minutes until the 30-minute closes. 2 more minutes until 5-minute closes. Gold is starting to hit new resistance. Just found some rejection. Keeping a close eye on GJ, just really doesn't want to move, does it? Sort of retesting that support, seeing if it can really hold. But if it can, then it's something I'd like to see to continue. Because on the 1 minute, we're scalping, remember. We're scalping to intraday trading. So I like to get a nice entry. And man, I don't like how it's holding under the 21, but it could just break and be like, adios, mamacita. Because we have no supply really created on lower time frames, just higher areas, so could be seeing your push sometime soon. I think I'm just gonna get in and let it run. Not too worried. Just don't want to really miss out an opportunity if it does just continue without me. Impulse buy might do it. Even if I lose, I'm up crazy amount this week. Well, in my standards, it's crazy. To other people, it's like, oh, it's fuck all. But see how it plays out. So 39919. It probably could come down. I'll just exit and then re-enter. Not a big deal to me. But let's let it play out. $9 up on gold. I think TP1 is going to be roughly 20 pips from here, from this point, so 30 pips total. I'll be looking to take 33% of my trade, which is 1/3. If you guys don't know math. Yeah, so if you look on the 4 hour of gold, the reason why I'm taking this buy very impulsively right over here was simply because, I just feel that on the 4 hour we have super clean traffic right here. This candle is what I'm looking to basically erase. I feel like we found enough buyers to erase this significant, I wouldn't say super significant, but significant supply level. We haven't even tapped into it, so that's also why I'm looking to take the buy up, to look to tap into that area. But really just want to see how it plays out. We're already up 17 pips, so, but this is not a full position, remind you, so I'm not too worried. I want to let it run and get full TP if possible. Just have to control my emotions, you know? Gotta control the emotions, so still something I'm always learning. Can't say I have my emotions fully controlled, but I do have a good understanding of, you know, when to leave, when to get in, and how to leave a runner now. I'm slowly getting to understand that. You could even tap up here and then look to come back down. Yup. GJ said, nah, fam. Not for me. But that could be the test of our 50 that I'm looking for. So, still just want to be patient. Be patient. Sorry about that. Had to brush my teeth. So basically, if this gold trade wins and this trade loses, my GJ trade loses, I should be at break even technically, around. So if GJ breaks here, I'm taking half my position. Actually, you know what? I do that all the time and it fucks me over. I'm just gonna let it run. Take me out. Take me out. It's okay. I want to play that song. Alright, we hit target of TP1, just 27 pips. I love this album.
Baby girl, you know my situation.
Something special, just what my dreams are really made of. Let's stay
We flying on gold, man. We're up 30 profit.
like you around. Oh, baby.
Baby girl, there's a storm. Yeah. I can't really explain it. I'm so into you now. I wanna be more than a friend of you now. When they ask, I mention my baby girl in the interviews now. And I don't bring the problems from the 90s and the 2000s. There's no reason to have a friend or two now. Cause the kid's ready to tell you how he feel in a few vows. Maybe I speak in general now. But girl, I'ma do whatever just to keep a grin on you now. Where I go, they wear bikinis in the winter too now. What you think about tan lines on the skin of you now? Why wouldn't I wanna spend a few thou? On Fifth Ave, shopping sprees, and them dinners to chow. I ain't concerned with other men with you now. As long as when I slide up in you, you growl. And any dude with you, he better be a kin of you now. And I ain't jealous, it's the principle now. I'm so into you.
Really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I'm so into you. I really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I'm so into you.
It's more than a flash, and I would've traded it all in
Orderly fashion.
Villa in Florida, we crashing just off the shore, so you can hear when the water be splashing. The drop top 3 in a quarter, we dashing. The flawless diamonds in the border, we flashing. The money we ought to be stashing. I make sure every quarter be cashing. I can't really explain. My friends be thinking I'm slipping. These girls be thinking I'm tripping. What kind of weed you be smoking? What type of drinks you be sipping? Sweet thing, just to think of you dipping. What had me with the blues so hard? You would think I was crippin'. Now you relaxing in the bins. Credit cards with no limits, so you don't worry about maxing when you spend. But since you been asking about the friends, how'd you like it if both our names had Jackson on the ends?
I think I took an early buy on. Definitely think I took an early buy on. What's it called? GJ. Could have looked for that entry on the 50. Even if it hit the 50, I would have said, nah, it's too bearish by the time I realized. My mistake. Entering impulsively. It's okay, I'll pay for it. Right now, looking to hold this structure. This right here. I want to see buyers find pressure here, but I don't think we will. I think we're kind of tapping in. But remember, we have another 30 minutes on that candle. This candle could just be the wick to touch down before it continues up. So we really have to let this one play out. 15-minute, looking for that retracement. Currently up almost 40 pips on gold. 30.
Baby girl, you know my situation. And sometimes I know you get impatient, but you don't put on the show to get ovations. Take it to court and go through litigations. And I respect your gangster. Treat you like a princess and put some on your neck to thank you. She's my pinch hitter. When the starting line up and playing right, I come off the bench with her. It might sound like I'm gassing ya, but it takes time to get from the backseat to the passenger. We be creeping and sneaking just to keep it from leaking. We so deep in our freaking and we don't sleep on the weekend. Life is a little bit of tight. Wonder why I keep coming home in the middle of the night. It'll be alright. If y'all bump heads, it'll be a fight. When I said it'll be alright.
Man, I have a feeling this will continue up after. Just bad entry, man. Bad entry.
So I made sure canary sit out your locket to protect you. I get out and cock it, and you know the barrel of my gun is big enough to spit out a rocket. Oh, you gon' play dumb if cops do come through. I gotta keep the top of if my drop you come through. But I know the boutiques and shops you run through, so I cop her one and cop you one too. You always get a daily page, weekly ring. Plus you ain't too shy to do the freaky things. I ain't gotta put a band on your finger. I worry about you telling the whole world I'm your man while I'm springing. At first you want something I denied, something I would slide, just to do something in the ride. Shorty, it's something you provide. Cause the entree ain't as good without something on the side, you know. I might be leaving the earth soon. My girl gon' kill me if she smells sin in your perfume. It's gon' be a clip toss if I go back. With stains in your lip gloss on my throwback. She won't care if I'm a platinum rapper. If she catch me with an empty magnum wrapper. So keep it on the down low, call a car seller. You seen what happened with Mr. Big and all Kelly.
Probably get stopped out here. Yep, got stopped out. It's alright. So I guess we're looking at gold today only. I'm looking to recover my losses from GJ on gold. So if this trade does go well, I'm hoping on at least like a $60 profit on this trade. This is like a 0.5% trade, but it could just tap off over here as we're touching supply area of the 4 hour, right? We have a drop based drop supply zone being created on the 4 hour, which is these markings right here where we're sitting inside right now. These two areas, 1841 and 1837. So those are our relative ranges for the distal and proximal line of our supply zone. Let it go, baby. Might look for a second entry on GJ just to give it a second chance. I do feel that this was my retest to continue bullish, and I'm probably just going to take it. I see the opportunity for this to close in 18 minutes. So if this 15-minute closes above the 200, I'll probably be looking to take that trade to continue. Gold is at $50, looking to recover losses. I wanted to keep going so I could take partials and leave a runner, so I at least cover my losses and I can continue to make profit. But I'm not going to take profit just yet because I want to hold above this structure. I don't know what's happening with my trading view right now, but it's not acting up the way I want it to. So we're just gonna stick with this. I wanted to do 4 charts so I could see all my time frames, but I don't think we're going to be able to. Let me try one more time. No clue why this chart is different. Sorry, just want to listen to this song again. Got 2 more hours for this 4-hour to continue. I really think that it can. So right now gold is currently at the amount that we lost, $62.
sexual. I wanna get sexual. Let's get sexual. I wanna have sex. I'll make it easy. Good woman, I know you need it.
CJ just doesn't like me today. That's okay. That is okay with me. Sexual.
Trey Taylor, you the goat.
If we close above this level right here, this 141 level, we know that supply has been removed, and we're looking to continue up and just continue it. I still haven't taken my partials yet. Still waiting. I really want to hit at least 100 pips before I take, so at least here. And it can shoot up any minute, man. It could really shoot up. So we have clean traffic to the left. I'm trying to get that big move overnight. That'd be great, but minimum I want to hit that 100 if I can. I already have a position ready to just take out the money whenever it hits 100. I'm actually using my iPad and my phone because I have two trades, so I want to be able to monitor both. $30 seconds till 30-minute closes. Looking good. Yeah, man. Third day in a row, looking to catch this whole bullish week, man. We caught two of the moves up so far. Let's see if we can catch 3 for 3. So far, we already caught 3 for 3 technically, but I want to see if I can get one more pullback on this. And if I can get a pullback, enter on that, continue the night. We're laughing. We're laughing. I think we'll find a halt near the clean traffic, but depends on where, because we have structure being created within the clean traffic. That clean traffic was a structure break, so I really want to see structure being retested there, and probably we'll have a pullback around there. So once we hit around 100 pips, I will be closing out half my trade, which should be $60, and that should clear my profits, my losses actually that I had previously. So right now we are sort of holding at like a 1 to 3, which is really good. Very clean trades on gold. I think I'm really understanding how it moves, and just want to keep focusing on gold. I think I might make gold my main pair and then really forget about other trades or other pairs, right? Pound yen looks like it's retesting that 200 to see if it can hold that 200. We just broke above it on the previous 15-minute candle. 30-minute candle closed. We closed above the 200, closed above the 100, closed above all moving averages. So we could see some demand being created here and to continue bullish. We really want to watch out for lower time frames to really tell us what's going on within the micro scalping areas. But we do have a bullish engulfing on the 5-minute, 15-minute. Looks like we have a basing candle. We could be seeing continuation if we continue past this this bearish candle high. So I'm looking to hold this GJ runner up to here where my previous targets were, if I can. So that would be like 1 to 4 almost, 1 to 5, maybe 6. I will be taking profits on the way, just to smallen up the position size and putting stop loss at break even. So far I'm only willing to risk 3% throughout tonight. Usually it would be 4 to 6%. I am down 1% actually. Yeah, so really just want to see these close bullish. Everything's got to close bullish for me right now. This is it. This is that London session push. Definitely taking half positions once I get to 10 pips. And then stop loss at break even. Oh, this is even... My bad. I had this wrong the whole time. It's 20. Yeah, 20. Oh wow, so yeah, my target was 1 to 2, 1 to 3. Yeah. Gold is coming down. streaming for 2 hours. Yes, sir. No cap. No cap stream. It's that no cap. Oh, that was a long song. Oh, this is a fire one. Ooh, GJ. We are up $30 on GJ. If we can recover losses from GJ, I will be looking to take that for sure. I can already recover the losses on gold, but I think gold is still going to continue, so I'm not going to look to take partials just yet. We're up $100 right now, so we're, minus our profits from, I mean our loss from before, we're around $40. What a view. Yeah, GJ likes to do these corrective moves to continue at a very later time where it catches people off. I just had too early of an entry right here, and now we're coming back up into this range to hopefully continue more. If not, then that's that. Still don't want to do anything just yet. I want to see how it plays out on the 5 minute. Hopefully if this closes above both moving averages in the 5 minute, that'd be lovely, and I could see this possibly continuing up a little bit more. Stay awake. Water break. Done that water bottle. Now we gotta finish this water bottle. Currently up $40 on GJ. Gospel. So we know we had buyers sitting around this area, this area, and this area. Even if it comes down to any of these areas, we should be able to see this continue up for the next hour and a half. We have created a 4-hour wick that we're looking to fill up on lower time frames if we hold resistance or hold support. So we have to watch out for that. Even though gold is coming down, I'm not really tripping too hard. I could always just look for another entry, but I'm not trying to overtrade it. That's why I'm holding this position. Even if it comes down, like I'm chilling. Foreigner. Where's it going now? Gospel. Empty. Pile on my ops and nigga tempt me. So I just missed that entry. Could come back down, but looks like it's creating some sort of demand on the 5 minute to let us know that we tapped into that area, to respect it. Yeah, we could see bulls coming back in. A lot of rejection here. Could just clean out this candle, but we have to see what that says. $30-minute closing in 2 minutes. A lot of rejection on GJ. Not a fan of it. We'll probably stop the stream at 5 o'clock. I need to get some rest tonight, so we'll probably cut the stream short, even though we started a little early. Most of the time we were just looking at the pairs, but now we're live trading, so sorry, I'm just focused on what's happening. GU just created a rally-based rally on the 15-minute. If this continues to break the high, we could see a continuation to the next high, or tonight's high, the daily high, and we could see a break above it. If we look on the daily chart, we see that we are currently at resistance, looking to break above to have clean traffic to continue bullish, right? We're sitting in lower time frame 4-hour supply zones, right? So we have to watch out for that. We have a micro resistance right at the 1 hour, right around here. So we do have clean move to continue up if we break the structure, which we have a pretty good entry to continue, at least to here. Just let it be. Gotta see how it runs, man. 5-minute looking very strong. Feeling the momentum come. Gold is holding. I like to see it. Love to see it. Give gold another 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I do think that it's trying to get that test on the 21 moving average to see if it's gonna go, so I'll be looking for another small position on gold if it sets up as I expect. I'll be putting my stop loss below here, so it's gonna be very tight stop loss, 20 pips, usually how all my stop losses are besides this one. But 20 pips, I could put a 0.3 lot size on, or a 0.2. Yeah, 0.2 I think it was. Let me double check. Actually no, that's if I put 2%. If I'm putting another 0.5, 20 pips, 0.75, yeah, 1% to 15, yeah. Seeing that move back up on gold. I'll look to take a position if it comes back down to here and retest that 21. I would love to take a position here. Somewhere around here would be great. Might have missed it, but it's okay. Not too worried. Still in the market anyways, so let's see how much we're up. We're currently up 91 on both positions. So, just playing it patiently. Really want to see GJ cover the previous losses. If we can look to do that, then I'll be looking for runners all night. Let it run. Yeah, GJ just not looking fun on GJ, but we are holding above the 21 and the 50, so we really have to watch how it is. Okay, so we're breaking lows with the basing candles. Probably looking to tap into lower areas. Currently gold is continuing up. We have found some momentum. Yeah, not sure if we have that momentum to continue up. Might just close out this GJ trade really quick. Look for a better entry. Should have taken the profits when I saw it. It's alright. Same with gold. Gold ain't looking strong right now. But that hour is probably gonna... I feel like this hourly candle is looking to make a wick down here. So right around this resistance level. So if it does come back down a little bit more, that'd be a little bit worrisome. But it's alright. Yeah, GJ is looking pretty bearish right now. We got a minute to close below that resistance. I mean, 10 seconds, sorry. love to see it on GJ, man. Just playing with your emotions. Internet's bugging out, man. Oh my lord. Might get out of this GJ trade. I feel like it's giving me an opportunity to leave. I might just leave. Reason being is just because we're very bearish, and if we even tap into this area, this general area, I want to see that we're holding above it, possibly even holding above this structure over here. Right now we're tapping to the 21 moving average. I mean, it looks good right now for a little bit as a double bottom. This is your neckline to break up above it. If that is the case, it would be a nice trade. I just have to be a little bit more patient. I am on the 5 minute, 1 minute, so trickles down your emotions a little bit, but nonetheless, I had a 80.08. That's what I'm looking to buy. This is a very small scalp I'm looking to take. Once this hits, I'm out of this trade for sure, but I have my runner looking to continue it. This trade might get taken out, so if we start beating the lows of here, man, I don't know how I feel about that. So this is like I'm probably gonna take my position out from here.
I said like before over here maybe, I think, or somewhere here, but I really think that this needs to hold. This needs to show me that it's holding. Prices are holding that structure. We're really moving up, looking to continue. If we don't have that rejection to continue up, then man, I'm not feeling comfortable with that. But I can always look for a re-entry. That's why I'm not worried. Just really want to play it smart on this trade. So there you go. Tapped into supply, found sellers, sitting at that demand zone right now, and this 5 minutes is gonna go wild. Really wild. Crazy volatility. This is the first hour after the open, so we could really see some movements within now till 6 o'clock. So let's just be patient. Always execute patience first. It's the most important thing. What's the 1 minute saying? Not bad. Pressure to the upside. It's a higher structure. Supply too. Lower time frame supply. Found sellers. Sellers taking it down to higher. Lower time frame support. Resistance now support. Getting rejected off the 200, off the 150 and the 21 moving average. Looking to hold above the 100. We do hold slightly under the 100 and the 50. Really just going to continue this. I think the 21 is your next target if we're looking to the downside, if we want to see to hold that. Really prices could start to change here, right? Really want to be careful. I like that rejection off of this level right here. This rejection, these two rejections are nice on the 1 minute. This tells me that the 5 minute is looking to close a little bullish. But if we don't, we really want to see a break above the 21 and the 100 on the 5 minute. That will let us really see some momentum to carry on to the next 15-minute candle. Not liking that. Testing lower time frame support. Still holding, still holding. Keeps getting rejected, so. But we're also getting rejected to the upside, so we could just hold a range and it might just not even be safe to trade. Like, we are technically in a ranging market right now, so we want to be able to get out of this. Not in a ranging market technically, but if we're looking at just what's happened right over here, we see that there's a range within here that we're kind of sitting inside of, which is this structure. So this structure needs to hold in order for us to continue and see some bullishness, if I may. But that doesn't look like a nice close on the 5 minute, so I'm not too sure how I feel about that. Did have a lot of volatility spike on that 4 o'clock, so that's really interesting to me. the last 4-hour candle. This is the last hour for the 4-hour to continue to do what it needs to do. We see gold doing a retest on the 21, exactly where I wanted to look for an entry. Currently in, but we really want to manage this trade, so I'm not too worried about this trade. This trade will tell me if it gets past here, then I'm looking to just take it out. But that will be like around a $15 loss, 20, somewhere around there. So this is a full 2%. Actually, it'll be around a $30 loss, but that's okay. If we lose more than 100 tonight, then stopping the trade. But if we gain more than 50 to 100 tonight, then I will probably not trade for the rest of this week. We're up 62, so we have currently 3 positions in our trade. Positions currently have 3. 2, they're all longs, bullish on GJ, bullish on gold, and a smaller time frame scalp on gold, bullish. GJ. If you're gonna move, you gotta move, boy. Getting tired. If this gold trade hits, I'm out. Like, I'm done. I'm done. Like, I'm just gonna take everything and dip. Let the gold run. Take out GJ. Not even look for that. I might take out like half, 3/4 of GJ. Let the rest run. If it hits, it hits. If it doesn't, then oh well. Still in profit. We'd probably only lose around $20. Not bad if it hits stop loss. Five-minute closed bearish on GJ. Closed as an inside bar on a support area. So really could just see a reversal to the upside any moment. We can also see a crash down to go tap into lower levels. But from what it's looking like, I don't have a bias. I just don't. It's bullish, technically long term. I see buys going into this and to continue up, but man, like, if we don't get this, then I don't know. I don't know what to tell y'all, but to me it looks good. Just gold is holding pretty tight right now. I'm not liking it. I want to see some movement, especially as this London session is active right now. Not a lot of movements happening on gold, so we could be looking to start coming back down, if anything. GJ looking to create some new highs for this candle, 5 minute. So lower time frame, 1 minute, it's creating higher highs. Slowly starting to see prices reverse inside out. inside out, meaning 1 minute time frame to higher time frames. But yeah, so gold 15 minute making higher highs, higher lows. Didn't make higher low. It had inside bar here, looking to fill up higher highs to create higher highs. If we pass this wick, we're probably going to continue up here to here, maybe anywhere here. Just hopefully it continues, man. I got nothing else to say about that. Gotta close above this level. Wow, seeing good pressure. Seeing if we can even break through the 100. If we can, that's great. It's a great signal. But we really want to see a close. That's the hardest part, is to get a 5-minute close above here. Like above this general area. That's actually the target. First minute, close the doji. Doji right here. Gold's not pushing, but remember, we are in a supply area, and we already had our push into the supply to remove the supply and create demand. This is what we're doing, is creating demand right now. So we're creating demand at this level, and we're looking for that instant push up to see that imbalance, right? This is the extreme, basically, of supply and demands, because we're at really low time frames, so that's like the very extremes. But if you just follow supply and demand, man, you can really make some good trades if you understand how to read it, what it means, right? So currently break even on GJ. Don't think it's gonna continue down, but if it does, well, just gotta let it do its thing. We've been holding some drawdown for some time now in this trade, so I'm not too iffy about it. Same with gold, we held a little bit of drawdown, but it was mostly profits the whole time. So here GJ is moving to the downside. We just broke resistance, tapped into previous demand. Not very strong demand, of course, so we could be looking for sells. If we get an entry, if we get an exit plan, I'll just be looking to take a blind exit. I want to see this 5-minute close though, for me to really judge first. Gold's looking to break. If we can continue above this supply zone, that'd be great. That means we know that this supply zone has now created demand. And we want to see the highs being broken, so we're continuing with the momentum that we've been given. And there's a strong signal that, hey, buyers have kicked in. We're still looking to continue this rally, and hopefully prices get to 1850. That's the goal of this week. 1850. It's a hot spot. Big hot spot. But yeah, man. $20 up on both gold, this intraday gold, and on the scalp. $70 on the intraday, $30 on the scalp right now. I lied. I'm not that sure the correlation between GJ and gold. I should look that up, and I should get more familiar with it, because that's very key. It's very key to understand the correlations between the pairs that you're trading. I know that these are both safe haven currencies, but I'm just not too sure on how they relate between each other, if there's any relation at all. But 5-minute looked pretty good on the pound yen. I'm liking it a little bit more. I want to see that 21 moving average start to turn to the bullish side. If we can start seeing some momentum to the upside, we should be able to see that. We do have a good wick to cover, and we do have previous highs from 3 o'clock to cover. If we don't look to continue that or cover that, then we're probably looking for sells just straight up. But I won't be looking for sells personally. I think this market is still a bullish market until we hit supply. It's just the matter of when are we going to be bullish and when are we going to look for good buys. It's always the question. So gold looking like it's tapping down to previous resistance, looking like it's breaking the previous candle low on the 5-minute. Pretty strong for the first minute of this 5-minute candle. So really just want to be aware. I might just get out of these two trades because they're both pretty much at break even, and just a lot of emotions with me with these trades, because once I feel emotion, I know I should just get out. Like I shouldn't even try. I feel more comfortable in gold than I do in GJ right now, so just gonna monitor them. I've been saying that if I see an exit, I'll look for it, but I truly just believe that GJ can go up. I just don't know when. Even looking at the 1 minute, it's a little tough to say. Like, we're in a downtrend on 1 minute, just came back from a pullback, right? We're looking to hold, create a range, start creating demand to continue bullish, like what we're doing on gold, but we haven't really seen that that nice bullish momentum yet, right? We've seen it over here pushing up, so we could come back down to even here, right? This could just be continuing, but nevertheless, we have been holding. We see a lot of wicks to the downside, a lot of wicks to the upside, so if anything, we could come back up here to test this target just to see if we can go a little bit more bullish there, but just sticking on the 5 minute, it just really helps us see detail. So gold is just crashing now. Gold is just like, nah. It's okay. See what gold's saying on the 1 minute. 1 minute just broke all moving averages. We might just leave this trade and let it be to break even. See how that wick holds. See how the structure holds. Okay, wick was broken. Structure's being broken. I'm just taking my trade out. That trade was done with. Yeah. It's okay. So right now we are currently took 2 trades. One was basically at break even. So positions, we currently have 2 positions only. We have 1 break even. Watch, this thing gonna come back up. Just watch. It's gonna say, no, we're just joking, man. We was just joking. Yeah, it looks like we found some sellers up in this area. If we continue to break here, man, we have some good sells to continue, but right here we have some structure, so we want to hold off on that. Rejecting off the 21, the 21, everything. 21's right here, 50, 100. Rejecting off all of those. 1 minute, 5 minute. Hovering below 3 moving averages. Looking a little bit more bearish than bullish. Good thing we got out of gold. Would have been stopped out for sure. I think this thing just needs time. It's time to come down to continue up, but something like this would be nice. Come back to this structure, bounce up. .430's coming. Looking to close out the stream if everything just doesn't go as planned. Alright, GJ is just like, hey, yeah, man, this is the pullback. Ready to continue. Come on. Show me that pressure already. Because if not, I am gone. I ain't trying to hold this for the rest of the night. You crazy? These pairs are just trolling me right now. trust in you very much. Sigma gold. Gold doesn't look too promising, but higher time frames. I see this hour coming down. It might reject to come back up later. That's what I don't want to miss. But if I miss it, I miss it, right? What can I do? Honestly, greed took over this trade. Greed really took over this trade. I should have just taken it up here when I saw it, and I could have just broke even. Don't know what my plan was there. Contemplating my analysis of my emotions tonight. It's a bundle of joy. Let's just say. Went from $90 in profit to zero real quick. That's what happens when you don't take profits, man.
waste 2 hours doing nothing. Gotta definitely reevaluate my strategy tonight on my emotions. I think that's what was the biggest thing, is I didn't want to take that loss, and I wanted to make some more, which was the reason to holding that trade, therefore leading me to take this loss and not recover any of it. And if anything, I'm only more in a loss right now if I don't close out these positions, because they both look like they're just heading down now. But gold, I feel like this is a higher time frame pullback, right? Into a lower time frame drop. So this is your pivot low we've created, which is technically still our entry of when we had our time to enter. Just correcting this move, and now you're probably going to have another impulsive move to continue bullish, which is why I'm willing to hold this trade, but I want to be able to hold it from 5 o'clock onwards. So I want to stop the stream around 5 and let it run. I'll probably take it out if I just don't feel like I want to lose more and it's not going in my position or my favor. Alright, I'm out of that trade. I think I'm going to be out of GJ too, so I am out of both trades. Currently just break even on both of them, so not really much to journal there. It was a good attempt, but just wasn't having it today. I think I kind of messed up with that GJ, so I think from now on I should just stick with gold. I don't think I want to trade GJ as much, only if I see something really strong. But right here, it's more or less I need to wait for higher time frames. I'm scalping too close into the lower time frames, which is kind of screwing me up. But this position, just I really want to see some more confluence here for it to go up. The gold, I'm just whatever. I already lost 60 bucks tonight. I wasn't looking to lose more. You know, we have a little bit of a loss that we need to just handle and then come back tomorrow a little bit stronger. So we have 3 break-even trades, 1 loss. Ended the night off pretty well. We have 0 positions currently now, and that is it for the London session. I'll see you guys tomorrow on the daily breakdown video, and I'll let you guys know if I continue to trade or do anything else with this trade, which I probably won't because I'm hella tired. I already lost 60 bucks. Just whatever, man. Tonight wasn't as good as I expected. Maybe if we didn't take that loss, we could have had $80 in profit, and we could have had more. We could have had around 120 in profit. But that was just pure greed. I need to rethink how I look at the market and how I feel in the market. So that's really going to help. But we caught the trade, but we didn't take anything from it. Stupid. It's alright. Learn for next time. So that's it for the stream. I was going to say for the trade. And I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Hopefully I'll be doing a live session on the London also. So I'll keep you guys updated. And without further ado, have a good trading week and trade safe, be patient, and have a clear mind when you execute your trades. So take care, guys.